said it, like there is nothing called permanent pink lip balm, because if you don't naturally have it. Hi besties, how are you doing? Yeah, it's a girl again, Luminous Skincare. If you're seeing this for the first time, hi, I'm Luminous, and this channel will film about skincare, product review, supplement review, DIY. So everything concerning skincare is what we do it on this channel. So if you're a returning subscriber, if you're seeing this face for the first time, please kindly click on the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to notify each time once I get a new video. So also, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for sticking around, thank you for subscribing to my channel, thank you for keeping me in this. Yes, I have a lot I'm doing and I still really want this, and people have been making it easier for me by subscribing to my channel. I say a big thank you to you guys. Like, I can't appreciate you guys enough. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, you've gotten the value from my video, any of my video before, please kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you as you do so. So today, without wasting much time, we'll dive straight into today's episode. The main reason why I am doing this video today, the main purpose for this video today is to tell you how to make an effective, easy to make pink lip balm. Yes, I've done pink lip balm on this channel before, but that is for people that want to resell, and it requires a lot of ingredients, and a lot of people would say they can't get all that just to make a pink lip balm, and some people don't even have that much capital for their business yet. Some people want to just start with pink lip balm as a start. So I'll be saying two things. If you already know how to make that pink lip balm, this recipe I'm about to give you can help boost the effectiveness of that pink lip balm. That is, this recipe I'm about to give you today, you can actually add it to the previous pink lip balm I've actually dropped on this channel. But if you've not gotten any recipe for pink lip balm, you're seeing this video for the first time, you want to learn how to make your own effective, fast result pink lip balm. And one mistake I need to let you guys know about pink lip balm is, once you get your results from pink lip balm, you shouldn't stop using pink lip balm. You can just limit the usage to maybe 3 times in a week, 4 times in a week, but you don't permanently stop using pink lip balm because you've gotten your results from it. And there's nothing, another thing I would like to say is there's so nothing called permanent pink lip balm. Yes, I said it wasn't a mistake, I said it, like there is nothing called permanent pink lip balm, because if you don't naturally have a pink lip balm, then there's so nothing called permanent pink lip balm for you. It has to be maybe you naturally have a pink lip balm, and you naturally have a pink lip, then that is a natural pink lip and it's going to be a permanent pink lip. But if you actually used a product to make your lip go pink, and you decide to stop using that product for a long period of time, thinking the result you got is a permanent result, my dear, it is not a permanent result. It is going to turn darker after a while. So do not say your vendor said it's going to be like that and it's not like that. There's nothing called permanent pink lip balm. So if you love what you've gotten from the product, then you have to stick to using that product. So I think I've spoken enough today. So let's just cheat into today's episode. So how to make your own effective pink lip balm? The first thing you'll be needing is your Carlton BSC. I'll be putting a picture actually on the screen so you get to see what I'm talking about. And also, a lot of people are always using the Carlton BSC, and this Carlton BSC is very effective, affordable and available. That's why I'm using that option. That's not the only cream you can actually use for this recipe. Just make sure any cream you're using for this pink lip balm recipe is a spot corrector cream. This Carlton BSC is a spot corrector cream. You can get any other spot corrector cream from the market. You have the Bakeless spot corrector cream. We have other spot corrector cream in the market that you can use to replace this Carlton BSC. Having gotten your spot corrector cream, let me say the Carlton BSC, you just add 1 tablespoon of your Carlton oil. If you have the Carlton oil, you can add it. If you have your alpha butane oil, you can add it. whatsoever whitening oil, whitening serum you have, you need just 1 tablespoon of your whitening serum. You need just 1 teaspoon of your propylene glycol. Propylene glycol is actually a penetrator. You need 1 tablespoon, 1 teaspoon, half teaspoon because it is enough. So you need just half teaspoon for your propylene glycol. Then you need your pink coloring. Yes, your pink food coloring. Please let it be just a little. A little goes a long way. You don't want it to be too pinkish and you don't like the effect afterwards. Mix this together. I assure you within 1 week of using this recipe I just dropped for you, you're going to see a very effective result from this pink lip balm. Mind you, this method is a pro-mist method. And another thing is, organic pink lip balm doesn't work. I said it. Yes, I said it. If you want to quote me wrong, please comment below and tell me any organic products, organic pink lip balm you've used and I've given you the results. The only way to get a pink lip balm while using a lip balm is to make it the pro-mist way. Organic pink lip balm can only give you the soft lips, and maybe after a very long time of using it, you can start seeing a little difference on your lips. But mind you, organic pink lip balm is not going to give you that perfect pink lip you always crave for. So this is a very simple recipe, easy to make. With just less than 1,000 naira, you can make this pink lip balm. And if you want to start your skincare business, maybe you just want to start from somewhere, you don't have, I'm saying this to students, if you want to start somehow, you don't have any money at the moment, you just want to start. If you buy this BSc, Carlton BSc, maybe 4 or 5 of it, the package, you do all what I just explained to you. Mind you, this is a recipe for only 1 Carlton BSc. So if you're getting 2 Carlton BSc, know that you will not do all the recipes I just mentioned. If you're getting this recipe, just know that if you're getting 2 of it, you'll be doubling the recipe. You understand what I'm saying? So if you're a student, you just want to start something, you just want to start making money from something, make this pink lip balm I just make. You can just get like 5 of the BSc and go through the recipe just like I just did. Sell to your colleagues. If you get the 5 BSc, you are definitely going to get about 8 to 10 pink lip balm from it. And selling a pink lip balm, at least I think in the local market it goes for maybe around 1,000 or 1,500. So imagine selling that for 115. Just imagine how much you're making already without even getting the proper knowledge of skincare yet. With that, you can now go for your proper skincare class. You understand? You need to start making something from yourself. Don't wait that I don't have enough capital to start my own business, I don't have this, I don't know how to do this. This is a simple pink lip recipe that can actually bring income for you. Yes, as I said, I guarantee that if you use this recipe, you're going to get the best results out of it. Trust me. If you've watched my video to this extent, thank you for subscribing. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks for always sticking around. Thank you. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until next time, bye. Peace out. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel.